Have you ever wondered if that letter about your health insurance is important for your taxes? When you are getting your documents ready for tax season, it is great to know exactly what each paper means and why it might be needed. For tax purposes, proof of health coverage generally refers to specific forms that report your health insurance status to the Internal Revenue Service. These are typically Forms 1095-A, 1095-B, or 1095-C. These forms are important because they officially document whether you and your family had health insurance coverage throughout the tax year. This documentation used to be critical for complying with the Affordable Care Act's individual mandate. While the federal penalty for not having minimum essential coverage was removed starting in 2019, these forms still help verify your coverage status and can be vital for claiming certain tax credits or in states that still have their own individual mandates. When you receive one of these forms, it is a good idea to keep it with your other important tax documents. You generally do not need to send these forms directly to the Internal Revenue Service when you file your return. However, the information on them might be necessary to accurately complete your tax forms, especially if you received subsidies to help pay for health insurance through a marketplace. There are three main types of Forms 1095. Form 1095-A, the Health Insurance Marketplace Statement, is for people who purchased health coverage through a state or federal health insurance marketplace. Form 1095-B, the Health Coverage Form, is from your insurance company or small employer. Lastly, Form 1095-C, the Employer-Provided Health Insurance Offer and Coverage Form, comes from large employers. Understanding and keeping your proof of health coverage forms ensures you have all the necessary information for accurate tax filing. This helps you avoid potential delays or questions from the Internal Revenue Service and allows you to confidently complete your tax return, knowing your health coverage status is properly reported.